Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can compress or uncompress or zip or unzip your files and folders on your Mac operating system. So let's say I have this folder in which I have few files. So we are going to see different scenarios in which we can zip or unzip a file or a folder. So let's say I want to just compress this file into a zip file. So I will just select this file and then I will just control and then click on my keypad, which is going to open this kind of option. And then here you will be able to see this option which says compress doc1.pdf, which is the name of my file which I want to compress. So I'm going to just click on this option, compress the name of the file. And once you do that, you will be able to see a zip file will be created with the same name with the extension .zip. So this is the zip file which we have created out of this doc.pdf file. Okay, so let me just remove this file and then we will see the next scenario. So if you want to zip multiple files, so let's say I have this doc1, doc2 and this pic. So I want to compress all these files into a zip file. Then I can just press command key on my keyboard and then I can select all these files and then I can right click on my mouse, or if you are on the touchpad then you can just press on control and then click on the touchpad once, and then you will be able to see this option which says compress 3 items or whatever number of items you have selected. So just click on this option which says compress whatever number of items you have selected, and once you do that, it's going to create this zip file, and inside this zip file all these files will be there. So let's see what we have compressed inside this zip file. So I'm going to just unzip this file. So unzipping or uncompressing a zip file is really easy. What you need to do is you just need to double click on the zip file. So just go to the zip file and I'm going to just click on this zip file, and once I double click on the zip file I can see this folder which is extracted. So this folder will be extracted with the same name as your zip file name. So because my zip file name was archive.zip, so the folder which is extracted is the archive folder, and inside this archive folder I will see all these 3 files which I have zipped or compressed earlier, right? So this is how you can zip multiple files. Let me just remove these 2 files and then I will show you the next scenario. So move to trash. So let's say I want to just compress a folder. The procedure will be same. Just right click on your mouse or just control and then click once on your touchpad and then click on compress my docs. So just click like that. It's going to create this my doc.zip file which will be the compression of this my docs folder, right? Same I can do for project 1. So control touch and then compress project 1 and it will be compressed here. If I want to compress multiple folders and files at the same time, the procedure will be also same. So you just need to command select all the files which you want to compress. So let's say I want to compress these 2 folders and this file, and then right click on your mouse or control, then click once on your touchpad and then just press on compress 3 items, and the compressed file will be named archive.zip by default. Okay, so if you are compressing multiple files, then the zip file which will be created with the name archive.zip. This is the default name of the zip file which will be created, and once I double click on this archive.zip, it will be extracted and you can see all these folders are there which I have compressed into this archive.zip file. So this is how you can zip or unzip files and folders on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.